I'm going to show you how to create classes or classifications. I'll go up to the top, the gear, accounts and settings. Advanced, be careful of that, it will hop. Down here under categories, turn on track classes. You want to say track classes, and you also want to be warned when you post a transaction that is not assigned to a class. That'll keep you from messing up. And simply go down here and say save. You've now turned on class tracking. That's an essential configuration issue. Now what you need to do is create some classes or classifications. Wait for my slow system to come back. Again to the gear. All lists, once it comes up. Come on. And here is classes. Add a new class. In our configuration theory, we have three classes: administration, or you can call it operations, anything you want as long as it identifies the administrative costs of running the organization. I'm going to call it admin. Save it, that's one. Now I'm going to create another one. Now we do programs. These are the items, this is why we are in existence, are the programs that help us do good for our population, our clients. And one more, which is fundraising. These are the three categories that the IRS requires to be reported on your 990 form, particularly the expense side of these. But because we have classes, QuickBooks will allow you to not only have classes, or will allow you to run profit and loss statements under each one of these categories. Now we're going to add some subclasses. In this case, I'm making this up as I go along, but the first one is the mentoring program, and it is a subclass to programs. Save. I'm adding another one. I'm going to call it hotline, as if we run a hotline, which is also, guess what, a program. And so it goes. You can add these as you add programs, and as always, you can make them inactive. Again, that doesn't destroy the data. It simply means that you can no longer use it in posting new transactions. Now I'm going to create something else. So we're going to have the 2016, let's make it 2019, annual gala, like a big dance, and that would go under fundraising. Save. So I could have a 2019, I could have a 2020, and again, I can hide those after the event is over. Now I'm going to show you the annual pledge drive. Obviously, I'm making these up, but I think they're pretty consistent, and you can certainly see how it goes. Again, fundraising. Save. So now what we have is these can be posted to the hotline, for example, and for mentoring program, for example. It will all roll up to programs. So you can tell the IRS and the 990 how much your programming costs were. You can see how much your mentor program and your hotline program were. How is this used? Pretty easily. Let's go back up here, and let's pretend that we are posting a vendor bill. Sorry for the slow response. Okay, here we choose a vendor. Any category will do. I don't have this configured for nonprofit, so you'll have to deal with that. 99.99. And then over here in class, we simply select the appropriate class. We've just created these, and this is exactly what you saw me creating. Do not post to the class level. You want to be able to identify how we got here. So you can't have something in fundraising if you don't have an annual gala and an annual pledge drive or whatever your fundraising opportunities are. Same thing for programs. So if this was an expense for the mentoring program, we simply select that and say save and close. And bada boom, bada bing, there you are. Under reporting, we go to reports. I come up here, and because I'm lazy, I am simply typing in class to see what I have. Here we have profit and loss by class. Brings up my report. And you'll notice that I have mentoring program here and my $999.99 under the mentoring program. So it gives me the class of program, the subclass of mentoring program, and then total programs. You do this because programs may very well have some transactions and you want to make sure it's there. Also identify as not specified. That tells you what has not been assigned to a class. I think that's about it for this one. Thank you.